Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest steel main gate design ideas and later we will discuss what will price for making these kind of steel gates. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. The steel gate is sturdy and versatile entryway solution for homes. It's offering blend of security, durability and commonly used for main entrances and driveways or garden and boundaries. Steel gates are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and resist of wear and tear. They are available in various styles including swing, sliding and folding. It's catering to the different spectrum of functional needs. And steel gates can be customized to suit the architectural design of your house with options for decorative patterns and modern finishes. And steel gate strength makes them excellent choice for enhancing security while maintaining polish and elegant look with proper maintenance. And steel gates can serve as long-lasting and visual appealing addition to any property. And friends, now we know the price. When selecting steel gates for your house in India, it's essential to understand the various types of available gates and cost and the common steel gate types and along with their approximate price ranges. The first one is the mild steel gates. This is made from mild steel. These gates are durable, can be customized to the various designs. Approximate price is per kilogram 300 to 400, per square foot 300 to 500. And stainless steel gates, this known for their corrosion resistant and sleek appearance. Stainless steel gates are ideal for modern homes. This price is approximately per kilogram, that means per kg, 390 to 400, per square foot 950 rupees. And another one is the wrought iron gates. These features integrate designs and wrought iron gates are classic touch to river property. Approximate price per square foot 500 to 1000. And sliding gates, it's ideal for properties with limited space. Sliding gates offer to the space saving solution. Approximate price is per square foot 300 to 600. The price can vary based on factors such as design complexity, material quality, gate size and regional market rates. For the most accurate